vital steps to overcome uncertainties among the students. Every student knows how it is difficult, almost impossible to write and organize the first writing assignment. It is more difficult if the student writes it alone for the first time. Lack of experience, lack of time, and undoubtedly lack of knowledge on the process of the completion of the essay contribute to this uncertainty. How it can be overcome. Certainly, the more students knew about the process of the writing of the essay, the less they would fear it. Let us explain some of the differences and similarities between several types of the essays. For most of us, even for those who have already graduated from the universities, any writing assignment means something formal, something academic that should correspond to some universal standards. In most of the times, that is true. A tutor would like you to produce well-written and well-organized paper and to evaluate your ability to research thoroughly and write according to some rules. However, there is a type of an essay where all these requirements may be jettisoned. This is an informal essay. Here, in this type of writing assignment, you are able to reveal your personality by talking directly with your reader intimately and frequently humorously. Nevertheless, you should have a good plan of the essay, however informal style is the most important point. There is not any universal rule on how this essay should be completed. Try to imagine the conversation between you and your friend, where you will be able to discuss the topic or event you care for or some person that has impressed you. Your opinion, in form of monologue, but informal even with humor, should be clearly stated. But certainly, not all types of the essays can be completed this way. Informal style is certainly an exception from the rule. In many types of the essays, you have to stick to some definite structures and even some rigid rules. Let us examine compare/contrast essay. It is undoubtedly one of the most difficult types of the essay, yet it is one of the most important and useful ones. It allows you to develop compare and contrast skills, to improve your ability to see and evaluate similarities and differences in objects, things, personalities, and events. Several useful tips for this type of an essay. 1. First, you should evaluate similarities, then you must find and evaluate differences. 2. If you compare some facts, evaluate one fact at a time, do not try to jumble them together. 3. Do not try to compare and contrast incomparable features, for example, the taste of the lemon and the toughness of the ball's cover. Many students also experience some difficulties in the writing of the literature essay better. It is not possible to provide the reader with universal guide to this type of an essay. However, every literature essay comprises some indispensable elements. 1. It should be succinct and must be written in lucid and understandable style. 2. You should develop well-organized plan of your essay. 3. Try to be more argumentative and more creative. Your tutor would like to see and evaluate your ability to analyze and understand the meaning of the text you have read. Certainly, it is not possible to reveal all elements of several types of the essays that the students are assigned with. You need to study guides and instructions more thoroughly to understand the requirements and purposes of your essay better.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.